How to edit script for pauses, emotions in InVideo AI. To edit a script for pauses and emotions using InVideo AI, first open the InVideo AI platform and log into your account. Click on Create New Video and choose the AI Script to Video option. Paste your script into the text box provided. To add pauses, you can use punctuation effectively. Insert commas for short pauses, periods for full stops, and ellipses for dramatic pauses. InVideo AI will interpret these and adjust the voice accordingly. Use line breaks to separate sentences and give the AI time to reset between thoughts. For adding emotion, tweak your sentences with emotionally expressive words. For example, instead of saying she was happy, try she was absolutely thrilled. Stronger adjectives and exclamations help guide the AI voice to reflect emotion more naturally. Also, shorter sentences and specific pacing can emphasize tension, excitement, or calm. You can then choose the AI voice that best matches your tone. Some voices are more dramatic, others more calm or professional. Click Preview to test how it sounds. If it doesn't feel natural, go back and tweak the script or punctuation until you get the desired emotional tone and pacing. This method gives you better control over how the AI reads your script. It's quick and simple, and it improves viewer engagement. InVideo AI makes emotion and pacing easier to control using smart punctuation and word choice. Link to InVideo AI is in the description.